Good morning, students. Lesson number 20, revision 3. It's related with revision set 3. Okay. The question number first, identify the phrase type of the underlined words. The first sentence is here. Velvet and silk are incredible costly nowadays. Okay. An underlined word, incredibly costly. Okay. The first option is noun phrase. Second one is adjective phrase, third one is adverbial phrase, and fourth one is verb phrase. According to this sentence, that is adverbial phrase. Okay, the answer number C, adverbial phrase. Now question number second is there. We met Paul's sisters at the wedding, full stop. And first option is noun phrase, second one is adjective phrase, third one is adverbial phrase, and fourth one is verb phrase. The underlined part of the sentence, Paul's sisters, that indicate noun phrase. Okay, so answer it will be number 1. Okay, noun phrase, Paul's sisters. Now the third sentence is there. Every human being is entitled to take his own decision. Okay, and options are noun phrase, adjective phrase, adverbial phrase, and verb phrase. Okay, the underlined part is here, is entitled to take. Okay, it indicate the verb phrase, option number 4. Okay, that is verb phrase, is entitled to take, that indicate the verb phrase. Now the fourth sentence is here. They all raise to toast to commemorate their dead teacher. Commemorate means that means they remember, or Smruti Mahotsav, like that. Okay, look here, the options are noun phrase, second one is adjective phrase, third one is adverbial phrase, and fourth one is verb phrase. Okay, according to this sentence, it is a adverbial phrase. Okay, the underlined part, to commemorate their dead teacher, that is adverbial phrase. Now the fifth sentence is here. The lover and the lunatic both have a great imagination. In these examples, the underlined part is the lover and the lunatic both have great imagination, and options are noun phrase, adjective phrase, adverbial phrase, and verb phrase. According to this sentence meaning or underlined part, that is the noun phrase. Option number A is the correct answer. Now the sixth sentence is here. Created during the Big Bang, the solar system and its components were extremely hot at the beginning. Okay, that means it is underlined part is created during the Big Bang. Okay, and options are noun phrase, adjective phrase, third one is adverbial phrase, and verb phrase. Okay, according to this sentence, it is a adverbial phrase. Option number C is there. Okay, now the seventh sentence is there. She hated when her mother tied her pairs of plates, like here. Okay, now look here, the first one is noun phrase, and second one is adjective phrase, third one is adverbial phrase, and fourth one is verb phrase. According to this part, okay, underlined part, pairs of plates, that is noun phrase. Okay, are you getting that? The option number A is the correct answer. Now the eighth one is there. Okay, the news from the border is not very encouraging. Okay, the news from the border, it is the underlined part, and options are noun phrase, adjective phrase, adverbial phrase, and verb phrase. According to that underlined part, that is the noun phrase. Option number A is the correct answer. Okay, now look here, the 9 number sentence. She wore a sandal that had high heels. Okay, high heels is the underlined part, and options are noun phrase, adjective phrase, adverbial phrase, and verb phrase. Okay, according to that part, it is a noun phrase. Are you getting that? That is noun phrase. Now the sentence number 10. The ruling party won by 70% votes. Okay, and underline part, by 70% votes. Okay, and options are noun phrase, adjective phrase, adverbial phrase, and prepositional phrase. Okay, according to this sentence meaning or underlined part, the answer should be prepositional phrase. Okay, option number D is the correct answer. Okay, in this way you can solve this question. Identify the phrase type of underlined words in this way. Okay, now the question number is second there. Divide the following sentences into phrases and write which phrase they are. Okay, the first sentence is here there. Okay, here Patricia ordered her servants to bring in the lounge chairs. Okay, in these examples there are three phrases. Her servants is a noun phrase. You can write here. Okay, her servants. Is a noun phrase. Now the second, look here. Her servants. Now order to bring. Okay, order to bring. Ordered to bring. It is verb phrase. It is verb phrase. Now the third one, the lounge. The lounge chairs. It is a noun phrase. Are you getting that? How to solve this question? Okay. Patricia ordered her servants to bring in the lawn chairs. Now the first one, her servants, noun phrase. Ordered to bring, verb phrase, and the lawn chairs, noun phrase. Okay. Now the second sentence is here. The guide led them deep into the forest to explore the rare herbs. Okay. To explore the rare herbs, it is a verb phrase. Sorry, it's adverbial phrase. To explore the rare herbs, it is a adverbial phrase. Into the forest, okay, it is a prepositional phrase. Okay, and only the rare herbs, it is a noun phrase. You can write here. Okay, into the forest, it is a prepositional phrase. Now second one, to explore the rare herbs, that is adverbial. That is adverbial phrase. Now the rare herbs is a noun phrase. Okay, in this way you can write this question. The guide led them deep into the forest to explore the rare herbs. Okay, into the forest, it is a prepositional phrase. To explore the rare herbs, that is the adverbial phrase, and the rare herbs, noun phrase. Now third example here. Every member of the colony was an eyewitness to the unfortunate accident. Okay, every member of the colony is a noun phrase. Okay, you can write here in this way. Every member of the colony is a noun phrase. Now the next one, an eyewitness to the unfortunate accident. An eyewitness to the unfortunate accident. it is also noun phrase. Noun phrase. Now the next one is also the unfortunate accident. You can mention here unfortunate. The unfortunate accident. It is also noun phrase. Okay, are you getting that? Every member of the colony, every member of the colony, noun phrase. Then an eyewitness to the unfortunate accident, noun phrase. And now the unfortunate accident, noun phrase. Okay, in this way you can solve this question also. Divide the following sentence into phrases and write which phrase they are. Okay,